Many people, especially those from Australia or New Zealand, might be wondering if they can pop into a Westpac branch in the UK. So, let's get right to it. The short answer is yes, Westpac does have a presence in the UK, but it's not what you might expect. Don't go looking for a high street branch with tellers and ATMs for personal banking. Those don't exist. Westpac's operations in the UK are entirely focused on institutional and corporate banking. Westpac's London office has a long history, first opening way back in 1853, making it the oldest surviving foreign bank in the UK. Today, it operates as the Westpac Banking Corporation London branch. This branch is a key part of their Westpac Institutional Bank division, which serves large corporate and institutional clients, not individual customers. So, if you're a regular person with a Westpac account from Australia or New Zealand and you've moved to the UK, you can't walk into the London office to withdraw cash, deposit a check, or open a new personal account. Their services are designed for things like debt markets, foreign exchange, and commodities products for businesses. It's all about large-scale financial solutions for big clients. For everyday banking, you'll need to use other methods. You can still manage your existing Australian or New Zealand Westpac accounts online through their banking app or website. You can also contact their international banking customer support team by phone. If you're a new resident in the UK, you'll need to open a bank account with a UK-based bank for your day-to-day transactions. While you can't use Westpac's London office for personal banking, it's worth knowing that their institutional presence is strong and has a long history. It's a key hub for Westpac's global operations, serving as a gateway for their corporate and institutional clients in the European time zone. So, yes, Westpac is in the UK, but no, you can't use them for personal banking. Their London branch is a powerhouse for corporate and institutional finance. It's a common point of confusion, but now you know the difference.